Ready?
Okay.
Who go first?
I better go first because
You better go first?
when you start talking, you'll not stop.
Okay, you go first.
Okay. Hi everyone, I'm Michelle. This is Christian.
I'm Christian.
And we just want to share some details with you all about our upcoming workshop, which is called Exploring the Masculine and Feminine through Breathwork. And we're both really excited about this workshop. It's coming up soon. Your turn.
My turn.
Wait, I gotta start over. Okay. Is it okay if I start over?
Start over.
Okay. Hey everyone, my name is Michelle, and this is Christian.
Hello, I'm Christian.
So just in brief, masculine and feminine energies, regardless of our gender, are really within all of us, and they're all around us, expressed through nature as well. And these are really important energies to understand about ourselves, because that masculine side is really more that logical side, that side of us that's, pragmatic and that takes action and gets things done. And that feminine side, in essence, is really a lot about feeling and being connected to our hearts. And so we're going to be exploring these aspects of ourselves in detail, not only from a theoretical point of view, but also through practice. And I'll turn it over to Christian so he can share some more about the workshop.
Yeah, look, it's going to be a beautiful day. We will run some workshop, some mindfulness talk, of course, a breathwork journey, and we will share with you some techniques that you can use to connect with specific areas. So if you want to connect with your masculine, there are breathwork techniques to connect with your masculine. There are breathwork techniques to connect with your feminine as well. That's me.
Yeah.
And yeah, we'll run a cacao ceremony to open your heart, to set your intentions, sound healing, dancing, community, connection, journaling. It's going to be a beautiful day to come and set intentions for the future as well. So we're really excited to have this for you. As you know, every workshop we run has a specific theme and topic. So this is something that we believe is highly needed in our society today, but also for ourselves. We will share our own journey and story of how we have dealt with these energies through our lives and how they have impacted us, and how we're still in the process of, finding the balance with the masculine and feminine energies. So we're really, really excited.
And we really look forward to seeing you there. If you have any questions leading up to the event, please feel free to get in touch with us and have a chat. Tickets are selling out pretty quickly now, so we do expect this event to sell out. So if you are thinking about coming, reach out to us.
Yes.
Anything else?
That's it.
That's it.
Thank
Thanks
you
for
very
listening.
much. We'll see you soon.
See you.
Bye.